everyone and welcome to this module on the mechanical motor vehicle. In today's video, we will learn to troubleshoot issues with the suspension system, identify causes and provide remedial solutions. By the end of this video, you will be able to troubleshoot issues in the suspension system, identify causes for the issues and provide remedies for the issues. Wheel hop issues are usually due to the bending of the rim caused by uneven tire pressure or overload, improper tire settings or incorrect alignment, the impact of low tire pressure, and loose or broken wheel mountings. The possible remedies include rectifying the rim bend, ensuring correct tire pressure, tightening or replacing the wheel mountings promptly. Defects in the vehicle's ride height are caused by weaker leaf spring tension, broken leaf spring hanger or hinges, uneven tire pressure, damaged shock absorber bushes. The possible remedies include increasing the temper of the leaf springs, replacing damaged hangers, ensuring correct and even tire pressure, and replacing damaged shock absorber bushes. Excessive travel and bounces to the suspension system can be caused by weaker leaf spring tension, broken center bolt and leaf spring hanger or hinges, damaged bounce stop, loose or damaged wheel bearings. The possible remedies include increasing the temper of the leaf springs, replacing the center bolt or leaf spring hangers or hinges, replacing the damaged bounce stop, replacing the defective wheel bearings. Fluid leaks can be caused due to cracked pipelines and union or loose union threads. Noisy suspension during operation can be caused due to dry lubrication, worn out or loose hanger pins and center bolt, and faulty shock absorber. The possible remedies for fluid leaks are replacing cracked pipelines and unions, tightening loose unions. The possible remedies for a noisy suspension are lubricating suspension pins, hangers and springs periodically, inspecting and replacing defective center bolts and hanger pins. Worn dampers and joints can be due to dry lubrication, loosening of the damper pad or over tightening of joints. Vehicle crabbing can be due to uneven tire pressure, improper toe-in, broken main leaf spring, or worn-out kingpin bearing. Possible remedies for worn damper and joints are proper lubrication, avoiding over-tightening of joints, and tightening damping pads. Possible remedies for vehicle crabbing are as follows. Check and set tire pressure evenly. Inspect and correct wheel alignment. Inspect and replace damaged main leaf and kingpin bearing. In this lesson, we have learnt to troubleshoot issues in the suspension system, identify causes for the issues, and provide remedies for the issues. Hope you have a clear understanding of this session. Thank you all and see you in the next video.